In this video we're going to be talking about building passive income streams, and I'm going to show you the streams that I'm building out myself, and we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be talking about building passive income streams, and I'm going to show you the passive income streams that I'm building out myself. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day, nearly every day, I'm bringing out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So when it comes to passive income, everyone has a different definition. My definition of passive income is not trading my time for money. So all these passive income streams I'm going to show you does take work. You do need to work, but if you miss a day or two here or there, or 3 or 4, it doesn't matter because you're still going to make money. Hence, passive income. Now, I'm going to show you these, and these are in no particular order. So, the first one I'm going to talk about is Google AdSense and having ads on my videos. So if we go over here to my back office, you can see I'm actually under review at the minute. I've been under review for about a month now, so it shouldn't be much longer before I get approved. If we just scroll down a little bit, we can see, so I made this video, it was a month ago, so it shouldn't be much longer before I get approved. Now, I don't plan on making a hell of a lot of money passive income with Google AdSense. This is just kind of an extra little income stream, which is completely passive. So if we go over to subscribercounter.com, you can see that at the minute I would make anywhere from $3 to $56 a month. So this isn't a lot, but hey, this is money. I'll be getting money for doing something I'm already doing. And again, I don't actually plan on having this as a main income stream. This is just an extra little one. Now, with YouTube, this goes hand in hand with 2 of my other income streams. And that is email marketing and building my list. So this is a little breakdown of my content marketing. So this top bit, let's just scroll out. This top bit is my YouTube channel. These are my videos, which I call PIMs because they're passive income machines. So when people find my videos, they go onto my email list, which I provide value and sell products. So this is passive as well because when I make a video, they're on a YouTube forever. They can bring you leads and sales for years to come. Some of my email marketing is completely passive as well because I have an autoresponder set up. So someone could find my video from 6 months ago, get onto my email list, go through my email sequence and buy products, and all that is completely passive. Now, when it comes to my email marketing, I will do, and I do affiliate marketing, but I will also be selling my own products. Which brings me to my next passive income stream, selling my own courses. So this will be Stackers Academy. People can come here, learn more about making money online, take my courses to acquire knowledge and skills to create the income that they desire. Now, my courses aren't finished yet. I am working on a couple. I'm mainly working on one at the minute. So if we go to Browse Courses, we can see that I have my Tube Affiliate Mastery and my Printing Profits. That's the course I'm working on at the minute. Anyway, this is a passive income stream because once I've built out the courses, I can sell them over and over again. So that's what makes that a passive income stream and not an active. So talking about printing profits, that brings me to another passive income stream, and that is selling low content books over on Amazon KDP. Now, if you want to know more about selling low content books, then I'll link a playlist right there in the right hand corner, which you can go through and watch. Anyway, these are all my books that I have been selling on Amazon.com. So these are notebooks, blank cookbooks, sketchbooks, journals. But as you can see, I've started selling quite a lot, and this is completely passive. So what I do is create these journals, notebooks, sketchbooks, blank cookbooks. I upload that to Amazon, then Amazon takes care of everything and just sends me royalties. So this is completely passive. But even though I'm working on this business every single day because I create new books, if I stopped doing that, I'll still get paid, because I have over 200 books published on Amazon.com and all the other Amazon marketplaces. So this is one of my passive income streams that I'm trying to build out. I want to build this out even more, and I really love this business model. That's why I've made a course on it, or that's why I'm making it, and because a lot of you, a lot of my followers, a lot of the stackers are asking for a course. Now, the last passive income stream that I will be building out in 2019, I haven't started yet, but that's selling audio books. When it comes to selling audio books, there's a lot more moving parts than there is to selling low content books. So we still use Amazon KDP, but what we do is we hire ghostwriters to write us books in certain niches. We can then sell an ebook on that, a paperback version through Amazon KDP, and also have that book narrated and sold as an audiobook through ACX and sold on these platforms. So this is completely passive as well, and there's a lot more potential to this than just selling low content books. Now, this is completely passive because once you've got all the work done, once you've got your book written, created, turned into an audiobook and published on these platforms, it's completely passive because Amazon's going to take care of your paperbacks and ebooks, and then ACX is going to take care of selling your audiobooks, and you just collect the royalties. Now, I really think you should start on some of these passive income streams, start building them out, create that passive income. These are my plans going forward and into 2019. I want to move away from active income and just start focusing on building out more passive income streams. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.